It is often easy for us to perceive robots as a distant, futuristic concept, thanks in part to the portrayal of mechanical beings in popular media for over a century. However, this notion couldn't be further from reality. In the last 20 years, there have been significant advancements in robotics and machine intelligence that have led to the development of a group of robots that are remarkably human-like in appearance and behavior. These cutting-edge robots go beyond the basic robotic arms commonly found on production lines. They are a clear indication of our progress and offer a glimpse into the future. In this video, I will be exploring the top 5 most realistic humanoid robots in the world, examining whether we are on the cusp of a new era of robotics. Let's get started. Number 5. Pepper. Pepper, a semi-humanoid robot created by SoftBank Robotics, is capable of perceiving emotions, while the USA can express them. This robot can recognize and communicate with individuals in 15 different languages, reacting accordingly to the conversation.
The introduction of Pepper was announced at a conference on June 5, 2014, and it was displayed at SoftBank mobile phone stores across Japan starting the following day.
Pepper's ability to detect emotions stems from its capability to analyze voice tones and facial expressions. Unfortunately, the production of Pepper was temporarily halted in June 2021 due to insufficient demand. Pepper is unique among other robots as it is available for purchase. In fact, more than 2,000 companies have bought their own Pepper to welcome, inform, and guide visitors to their establishments. As of 2018, approximately 12,000 Pepper robots have been sold in Europe alone. Furthermore, Pepper is entirely programmable, with the goal of giving independent developers an opportunity to create new content and applications for the social robot. Despite its limitations compared to other robots, Pepper is still a remarkable creation. Mounted on wheels with 20 degrees of freedom, the robot can execute natural and expressive movements. It also features a touchscreen interface that enables users to interact with Pepper, much like they would with Alexa or Siri. This social robot can answer questions to the best of its ability and offers a friendly face to customers. Pepper's presence in the market may be the first step in earning public trust in robots. If these machines are to become popular, they must first win over our trust, and Pepper may just be paving the way for a future where social robots are commonplace. Number 4. Digit Robot. Agility Robotics, based in Oregon, has created the most advanced humanoid robot yet, Digit. With the ability to comfortably stroll down a street or hike through a forest, Digit is a bipedal robot that can perform tasks like picking and stacking 40-pound boxes or catching itself from falling over. Digit's torso houses 2 multi-core CPUs and cutting-edge software that enables advanced behaviors such as footstep planning and stair climbing. Even with its unusual design that resembles a horse's legs more than a human's, Digit's balance and versatility have been enhanced. As soon as the robot is unpacked, it can start walking within 5 minutes. It won't be long before Digit becomes a common sight performing everyday tasks such as loading and unloading boxes from self-driving vehicles. Agility Robotics recently inked a deal with Ford for this purpose, as Digit can be folded and stored in a vehicle before being deployed for package delivery. While Digit's price tag of $250,000 may make it inaccessible to most consumers, it is a significant step forward in the development of humanoid robots. Its nimble limbs and sensor-packed torso allow it to navigate complex environments, making it a valuable asset for businesses looking to automate certain tasks. While Digit may not be knocking on consumers' doors anytime soon, it is expected to become increasingly common as the market expands. Number 3. Mecca. While Atlas is an impressive robot, it lacks the ability to communicate effectively, which is crucial for robots to change our lives. Engineered Arts, a firm based in Cornwall, UK, developed the most advanced humanoid robot to address this need, and it's called a Mecca. According to the firm, human-like artificial intelligence needs a human-like artificial body, which is exactly what a Mecca offers. With the most realistic human facial expressions to date, a Mecca's face is eerily similar to a human face. The robot can track your finger with its eyes and maintain personal space by brushing your hand away if you get too close. A Mecca's face can display a wide range of emotions, including surprise, wonder, curiosity, and joy, and is being developed to match complex expressions with the latest AI. A Mecca is also a cloud-connected platform that allows companies to test their AI or machine learning technology in front of a live audience alongside engineered Arch Tritium robot operating system. This makes a Mecca an ideal testing platform for companies working on robotic research. Number 2. Atlas Robot. Boston Dynamics is a company at the forefront of robotics with an impressive lineup of robots that may bring to mind scenes from sci-fi movies. Their Atlas robot is particularly noteworthy, resembling the inhuman Terminator portrayed by Arnold Schwarzenegger. Initially unveiled in 2013, the Atlas prototype resembled a small child. However, the 5-foot-tall robot can now walk, sprint, jump, balance on one leg, do a backflip, and even dance. It has better balance than most people and can sense obstacles and navigate rough terrain autonomously or via teleoperation. The robot's 28 hydraulic joints give it a top speed of 2.5 meters per second, and the Boston Dynamics team hopes that it will eventually be able to drive, climb ladders, put out fires, and more. The robot is electrically powered, hydraulically actuated, and takes advantage of 3D printing to save weight and space, resulting in a compact robot with a high strength-to-weight ratio and a large workspace. With its range sensing, stereo vision, and other sensors, Atlas has the ability to manipulate objects in its environment and maintain balance when jostled or pushed. Number 1. Sophia. In 2016, the humanoid robot Sophia gained worldwide attention for her remarkably human-like appearance. Sophia possesses advanced capabilities such as facial recognition and the ability to make eye contact, making her seem more like a person than a machine. In fact, Sophia's design is so convincing that the Saudi Arabian government granted her citizenship in 2017, marking the first time a robot has received such recognition. Sophia was even named the United Nations Development Programme's first innovation champion a month later. With a sophisticated speech system and more than 60 facial expressions, Sophia can hold natural conversations with people, and her advanced capabilities make it easy to forget that she is a robot at all. Sophia's creators at Hanson Robotics in Hong Kong have even installed a full body and hope to mass produce her in 2022. Sophia is also a leading platform for cutting-edge research in robotics and artificial intelligence, particularly in the areas of human-robot interaction and their potential applications in service and entertainment. One notable project involving Sophia is the Loving AI project, which aims to understand how robots can adapt to users' needs through intra- and interpersonal development. What is your opinion? Will a robot take the world by storm, or do you believe that we are still decades away from fulfilling the vision of science fiction writers? Do tell us in the comment section below. Thank you for tuning into Unrestricted Intelligence. Please remember to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. And we'll see you next time.